Hey guys, here it is, Tiana's Bayou Adventure, opening today, but just for Magic Key holders who were lucky enough to get in that virtual queue. Well folks, I'm standing here at Tiana's Bayou Adventure on Monday, October 21st, and this is the first day that Tiana's Bayou Adventure will be open to the public. But again, as I said earlier, you have to be a Magic Key holder and you have to be one of the lucky people that got into the virtual queue. These are the cast members.
No, we're just hanging. Okay. Perfect. Have fun,
And
friends, right
scanning in. Oh wow, look at this. Okay, we're not a single rider. Ooh, they're gonna have single rider though, huh?
Welcome to Q.
Thank you so much. Oh, smells like fresh paint, Lizzie says. I agree, it sure does, and it smells really good. Whoa, look at all of the photographs of Tiana and her family. Lots of beautiful stonework here. Coming back out into the sun. And now we're gonna head up the stairs. So this is familiar. We had these stairs before as well when we were going up for Splash Mountain. But now we are going up the stairs for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Going up, 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 up. There we are. Looking back that direction. Okay, oh my gosh, look at this. In the queue, in the line, Tiana's Kitchen is here. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so beautiful. Yeah. This is so beautiful. Look at this. Oh, wow. It's like you're there. And the beignets right there. Oh my gosh, now I want a beignet. That's amazing. Look, there's the beignets being rolled out as the dough, and here are the baked beignets. There's the bakery. Look at this. Princess Tiana expands her culinary empire. Actually begins it, right? She begins her culinary empire. And we are walking through. Oh, look at this. We're in the... Go on. Okay, so this is starting to look familiar. All this cave stonework here. Oh, but that's new. Look at that. We didn't have that before. Tiana's foods are being unloaded. And up here, safety first. Ooh, it's nice and cool in here. It's so hot outside, but in here it's nice and cool. It's just like a real cave. Oh my gosh, we're about to get on, guys. We are about to get on.
Wait, I'm scared. I don't want to miss it.
We are about to get on. Check it out. Here we are. This is the line right here. This is the end of the line. All right, they're setting us up for success. Tiana's Bayou Adventure. I'm so excited.
2 and 3?
Hi, there's two of us.
You guys are going to go on 4 and 5.
4 and 5, okay. Whoa, we're gonna get to go now. This is our turn. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, it's very, very wet down in there. Look at that. You can see the reflection of us in the water. We are going to be wet. Oh, yeah. Bye-bye. Oh, man, my butt's already super wet. My bottom is wet. Yes, sirree. Oh, look how cute that is up there. Look, there's a little garden up there. Ah, we're going up. We're going up, guys. Oh, Lizzie's afraid to get her hair wet. Look, she has a hoodie she's putting on. Oh. Oh, look at all the greenery. See, this is totally different. Oh, wow. It looks like we are in the swamps of Louisiana. Louisiana, in the swamps. Check it out. This is so cool. Oh, look, there we are. It's so pretty. Oh, wow. Look at all of the look at all the dancing plants over there. That's okra. Not okra, but okra. Okra is a dancing, and some pumpkins, and some squash. Oh, over here on the right, there's some kind of a, what is that? Some kind of a crazy animal. Armadillo, thank you, armadillo.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Oh, look at all the moss and the grasses and stuff. Nice. Ooh, giant pumpkins. Green ones.
We're gonna find just what we need in the Bayou.
Never ever lose sight of what's really important. Oh, there goes one. We're heading in. We're still on the outside. We're about to take our first drop, guys. We're about to take the first drop. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, here we go. We're gonna go down. Oh, geez. Man, talk about getting wet. Man, I am soaking wet. Wow, that was intense. Oh man, I'm soaking wet down to my drawers. Look at these cute guys.
They can play, no doubt.
There she
We're
is.
all in to join the band for sure.
I like those fireflies.
These guys are burn.
Oh, I think we're going down again.
They sure can play, but we gotta keep searching high.
Nice frogs.
We have to find them. Oh my God, I am so happy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Been there, done that. But you found the sound that was crazy. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, we're going up. We're gonna go up here, guys.
Hope you enjoyed getting tiny. Now let's get you back to your big, old, beautiful self. Let's get you.
shorts too.
Literally,
That's beautiful though, wasn't it?
so beautiful.
So beautiful.
Such a much happier experience. You're not like terrified.
Oh, I know, it's so cool. And the armadillo with the umbrella.
With an umbrella. An armadillo.
What do you think, honey bunny?
That was cool. I don't think it's done yet. Isn't there one more part?
All right. Ah, the wisteria is beautiful, huh? Welcome to Fleur de Bayou, home of Princess Tiana and Princess Navy. Prince Navy. That was pretty cool, right when you thought it was over, then there was the big finale, the big finish.
Remain seated until your boat returns to the dock. Then grab your belongings and exit to your room.
Somebody who enjoyed themselves.
Awesome.
I get it. Water.
Look at my back. Look at this, honey. Where are we going? Up here? That's it, guys. There's the queue. Everybody's lined up here. Wow, that was so much fun. Now we're going to head out. I think we'll be able to see our pictures. You'll have to get your camera out, take a picture of the number. Wow. Okay, we're coming through the exit part and trying to figure out where the exit is. There it is, says exit. I think they now have like a photo booth that they used to have. Oh, look at these. These are cool. Posters.
Pictures up ahead, guys.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you, George.
Bye.
Pictures up ahead. Tiana's Foods. And there's like a secret little reveal. I don't think they're going to reveal this till November 15th, but there's a car over here that they've had here for a couple of days. Okay, so now here's the photo booth. So now we have to find ourselves, take a picture of the number so that we can download this to our phone. How that was. Look at this over here. Okay, so we're outside. This is on after the exit. We now have a new venue here called Lewis's Critter Club. And it says they're going to have Lewis's Critter Club and Claude and Bernadette's Zydeco Octet. So I am guessing that this might be maybe an animatronic band they're going to have in this building. Because this, hi, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Are they going to have an animatronic band in here? What are they going to have? You know?
So for right now, the store is finishing up their refurb in order to fit all of the Critter friends groups that have it.
Okay.
I do not know if we are having any shows there or any animatronics or vehicles.
Okay. Because, yeah, it looks like there's something different going to happen than what was there before. Hopefully something exciting as good as the ride. That was pretty fun. Have you been on the ride yet?
I have not.
Oh my gosh, how could they
Was
not
it
let you
fun?
on the ride? It was super beautiful, super fun.
You look like you got a little bit soaked.
Yeah, just a little bit. That was so fun, guys. Tiana's Bayou Adventure has lived up to the hype. It's lived up to the promise of honoring the Princess and the Frog movie and replacing Splash Mountain with something that is worthy of its replacement. I think so anyway. It's a new adventure. There was a lot of characters in there. Something they never had in Splash Mountain is they had a lot of projections, which was really cool to see. Some of the things that you didn't get to see when we were just going through was the main entrance over here. Okay, and then over here is some of the artwork. Here's some of the artwork up in here that they have going. Really cool, really beautiful. I love all that artwork. It's all about cooking and growing foods. There's chefs and Tiana, everything. Very fun. Okay, see everybody's milling around here waiting for their group to get called. Oh, and look at, now the Briar Patch shop is no longer the Briar Patch, it's now Ray's Berets. Look at this, Ray's Berets. Hi. Is this the way the entrance to the shop? Oh, look how cute you're dressed. I love it. There's some more of the queue for the ride. And now we're gonna go into the Transformed shop. So, this shop is so magical. Look at all the lights up above. And then little scenes in here that are inspired by the movie. Wow, this is so cool. It's so pretty in here. So yeah, this used to be the Briar Patch shop. Remember they used to have carrots growing through the ceiling? Now it's all kinds of moss and vines. So now it looks more like the old south of Louisiana, Mississippi, the south where you have the bayous and you have all kinds of moss and vines growing. Very fun. Very fun. Oh, look at this cool Best Pals piece of artwork here. That's really nice. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I love it. Okay, cute little shop. Pin traders out here. Very nice. Really nice poster, Mardi Gras season. Well, that looked like it was open, but now it looks like it's closed. Oh, it's a private event. Okay, Hungry Bear Restaurant is not actually open to the public today. It's a private event. So Hungry Bear Barbecue Jamboree is the new restaurant that replaced the original Hungry Bear. But I thought it was open to the public, but in fact it looks like it's just a preview for or not a preview, it looks like it's just a private party today. So that's pretty interesting. I'm gonna guess that it's gonna be open to the public very, very soon, but you can get a look of it over here. You can get a shot, you can see what's happening. They've got it all kinds of Americana, red, white, and blue, and stars bunting, and people are eating up there. Here comes the Mark Twain, heading past the Davy Crockett canoes, which currently are not operating. I guess they're giving the canoe crew a break. Yes, well the park is really full too. The park is weirdly full. There's a lot of people here today. There goes the Mark Twain.
Please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. Thank you very much.